When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago.
Walking out of Lagos into Enugu State, one of the fastest growing cities.
Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
And take advantage of this fast-changing investment landscape.
I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? I'm growing old, but I need you to deal with my sorrow. Just a memory, just a broken frame, and I know that I have no one else to blame.
The state's governor assures investors of his administration's commitment to encouraging businesses.
Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too.
For a very high
I wonder
return.
where are you now?
At the signing of the alongside of management of 10, which will involve Lion Business Parks, amended the governor to his management. The local first time is at the stressing that the company was posed to develop industrial and commercial hub that will catalyze trade, industry, economic growth, and create jobs for the youth population. This strategic collaboration aligns to Excellency's visionary economic agenda to grow the GDP of Enugu State from $4.4 billion to $30 billion for the overall benefit of the people of Enugu State and Nigeria as a whole. It is therefore a watershed moment with
Should've told you that you're beautiful.
Business Park and Enugu State government.
I wonder where are
It is
you
in
now?
the place of the police and
Wonder where are
I
you
have no
now?
doubt that you will continue to be of to express optimism about the investment, saying the project will leverage the incentive and technology development to create jobs. Calling on the business community, private sector leaders, and global investors to maximize the perfect opportunities the park presented to them to be part of economic revolution.
Mbon added that the project had immense benefits that fall beyond the state and the south.
When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer. My love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you so long. I met you in the
heart of the tech hub of Nigeria and the world fastest growing economy.
I met you in the
With its large food size and a whole lot of other things, the governor is focusing on growing the GDP
It's
of
kinda
the
quiet in my room right now
state to over
without
$30
you.
billion before the end of his term.
And I couldn't really
As
make you
part of its
stay,
effort
so
to
what
attract
to
investment and grow its
do?
economy from
I'm just
$30
staring at my walls and talking to myself now and then. I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you.
that will drive that growth.
I met you
By
in the
this single
summer.
act,
When you left it was cold. Said we loved one another. Guess that we're wrong. I met you in the summer. Our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you for so long.
Through the establishment of the and the establishment of one-stop shop for processing of food. It has two options. Consider dropping a like and continue with the video. The state's investment in ultramodern security infrastructure, building of transport infrastructure, digital infrastructure, and state manpower are some of the strategic steps taken to ease business in the state. State mbah, the state governor, explained at the inauguration that the council was in for business, investment, tourism, and living. The governor, who is chairman of the 25-man council, stressed that investors were not for Christmas and will naturally tilt to where there is conducive environment and high return on investment. Recall that one of the first activities that I performed after my swearing was to sign Executive Order 005, which speaks to ease of doing business. It largely tells us that we cannot achieve the ambitious economic growth plan that we have given ourselves if we do not attract private investment. Therefore, for us as a state government, this ease of doing business council is consistent with our objectives to ensure that we create an environment for businesses to thrive. If you look at all the key indicators of ease of doing business, you will notice that we have aggressively intervened across those various indicators. Mbah assured that as the chairman, he and the council members will work hard to ensure that the state comes close to becoming the frontier of ease of doing business. Speaking to newsmen, Eric Chime, the second deputy president of the Enugu Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture, who represented the president and the body, described the council as another great leap for Enugu State under Governor Mbah's leadership. The governor has said all he has done to make Enugu State attract investment. What we are going to do is to be the wagon that will carry this message and let investors come. Enugu is the safest place to invest. Any investor that you want to tell to come, they will ask you about security first. If you are talking about security, technology, or infrastructure, the governor has taken care of them. So our job is to attract and take the good message and attract investors to the state because Enugu is a safe haven, he enthused. Sam Otobeze, the president of the Nsukka Chamber of Commerce, Industry, Mines and Agriculture, commended Mbah for his efforts to align Enugu with global standards for attracting businesses. This is a very wonderful initiative. The world economy is changing, and the best way to get into it and be recognized is what we are doing, because the more we attract businesses and investment into the state and get to the world map as one of those states you can go and invest in businesses, the better for us. If you've watched this far, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification icon so you don't miss on any of our future videos on this topic. Don't forget to subscribe and share the video with your friends who really want to know more about Enugu State and its investment opportunities. And I'll be seeing you guys in my very next video. Until then, stay subscribed so you don't miss future videos from this YouTube channel.